Lighthouse for Life, we join God every day in His mission to eradicate sex trafficking in our state. Through our education program, we are equipping communities to join us in this fight through identification and prevention. At Survivor Support, housed here at our new drop-in center, the Harbor, we are helping survivors overcome the many obstacles they face after they leave the life so that they can become thrivers. And at our residential safe house, Harris Home, we are helping female minors find their identity and hope in their healing journeys. We bring God's light into the darkness of this world, and with John 1, we know that darkness will not overcome it. Thank you so much for your support of Lighthouse for Life.